Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the font styles in Google Chrome. So if you want to change to different fonts that may be easier to read for your particular viewing preference, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Chrome browser if it's not already open, and select the three-dotted icon up in the top right corner. Just go ahead and left click on that and go down and select Settings. On the left side, you want to select Appearance, and then on the right side, you want to select where it says Customize Fonts. So there are different options in here. The standard font up at the top here, this basically will change the font for websites that have not declared a specific font or font style. So the font you select here will be the default one that it will launch with. And the next option is serif font. So these fonts have the little feet at the bottom and the top of letters. So if a website uses a serif font, the browser will use whatever font you select here. And you have the sans serif font. So these are the modern fonts without the little feet on the top and bottom of letters. And then you have the fixed width font. So in these fonts, all the letters, numbers, and special characters would have the same width and are often used to write and show computer code. So if you want to select or change that text, you can do that very easily here as well. And that's all you have to do. Once you're done making any changes, you just would go ahead and just close out of the web browser, and that should change the font once you relaunch it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do a positive to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.